I really like what I see 3 to 5 years from today is two things. I see, or I'll say three things. Number one is I see our ability to penetrate and destroy any sort of underground structure by different machineries just digging through earth autonomously and setting off explosives. I see swarms of robotics if we need to extract something like uranium, where you don't just want to collapse the structure, you want to actually get to where you need to go. Robotic swarms that aren't just drone swarms, but a set of many different types of excavators with many different types of tool sets that are working together, removing earth, breaching. A lot of constraints are removed the moment it's all robotics communicating with each other, getting to where you need to get to, extracting what you need to extract and destroy. I think we're not far at all from that. If you look at companies today like Terra Firma and Bedrock, they're creating fleets of building and excavators above ground. I think we're going to get very close to that below ground. And number three is we're going to see in battlefields deployment of logistics, troops in the crust of the earth, and it's going to be a new way of maneuvering and
Like I
preparation
said,
for
it's
it.
in Russia right now.
Yeah,
They've built underground drive-your tunnels as much as
yeah,
there are a couple ones in Haas. You can drive safely, and it's a line of communication that they've created underground near the front line because they were required to. Um, I think one aspect we didn't talk about was also airfields because of how strategically important airfields are. And having studied
yeah.
the Battle of Kiev multiple times, most people know what happened at Hostomel. Um, I was actually talking to somebody this weekend. Like I wrote the conclusive, like what happened with my research partner. It took 6 trips, but how important that one airfield was, and also grabbing it from the others. But then they actually called in airstrikes to rubble or to crater the airfield, and how important in war, especially joint forcible entry and things like that, the enemy's airfields are to them or to you, is a whole area of just thinking. And how could the underground, the subterra of an airfield, which is on the surface very important, but it's resting actually on a thickness